On the 17th of July 2016, 17 projects by Le Corbusier spanning a total of 7 countries were inscribed in the list of UNESCO World Heritage Site as architectural work. There is no doubt an outstanding contribution by him to the modern movement of architecture. Charles Edward Jenneret, more popularly known as Le Corbusier, was born on 6 October 1887 in a small city of Switzerland to an artisan father and a mother who taught him piano. And from private villas to mass housing project, his radical ideas, design and writing presented a whole-scale reinvention of entire concept of modern living. Like many of his contemporaries, he had no formal training as an architect. At the age of 15, he was attracted to visual arts and entered the Municipal Art School in La Chaux-de-Fonds, where he studied under architect Reine Chapelaise, who influenced Corbusier's early residential design. His first architectural project was a villa in his hometown, designed and built in 1905 in collaboration with a local architect. He traveled throughout Italy, Austria, Germany and France studying the local architecture. In 1910 he met Walter Gropius and Mies van der Rohe, the two other pioneers of modern architecture. Next year he traveled to Eastern Europe and Turkey and later returned to La Chaux-de-Fonds art school to teach during World War I. From the year 1914 to 15 he developed Domino House, an architectural model with an open floor plan with columns and thin walls of reinforced concrete. In 1917, he moved to Paris and opened his first architecture studio. The following years, he dedicated a lot of time to painting and met Picasso and other influential artists of the time. He worked on many unexecuted architectural projects, and in the year 1923, he published the book Towards an Architecture, which included the 5 points of architecture. He considered to be the pillars of any architectural design. Those were the construction guidelines for buildings such as the use of pillars, horizontal windows and the roof gardens among others. In the year 1928, he began with the project Villa Savoy in Poissy, which went on to become an icon of modernist architecture. In Villa Savoy, he summed up the 5 points of architecture that he had published in the magazine Spirit Nouveau and his 1923 book Towards an Architecture. During this project, he met his wife Yone Gallis, and she was a dressmaker model, and they remained married till 1957. In the 1930s, Le Corbusier traveled to many countries and gave lectures in many different places such as Europe. Between 1945 and 48, he worked on his system of proportion, the modular. This system provided a reference for better adapting architecture to the human dimensions. After World War II, he traveled to the United States where he met Albert Einstein and published 2 books about urban planning. He was a consultant for the design of the United Nations headquarters building in New York. In 1951, Corbusier went to India, where he consulted the local government on the planning of city of Chandigarh, India. He also built several buildings in the Indian city of Ahmedabad. Also, he designed several administration buildings in Chandigarh such as Parliament, a university, a courthouse and some furniture as well. The artist died on 27th of August 1965, leaving behind a legacy that remains unmatched and continues to inspire today.